So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to save your money. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel. The lesson that I really learned from shopping today was that even though I'm shopping in discount stores, the items that I was mainly finding was only 30 to 50% off, and then I noticed that they were kind of hidden, but they kind of had in the back of the store like two little racks, and they were the clearance racks, and then the clothes on those racks were 50 to 80% off. So if you go into a discount store, my recommendation is to My recommendation is to look and see if they have clearance racks. Find the clearance racks, and then you can find the deals. So then I decided to go shopping on Saks Off 5th online, and I found these pants by French Connection. They were originally $138 and I got them for $29. That means they were 78% off. Then I also found this bathing suit, which was red Carter, and that was $150 and I only paid $24. So it was 83% off. Both of these items I just got by shopping the clearance. Then you can see that I saved $233, but I only spent $54. Okay, so this is the part where I'm going to try on the clothes for you guys super quick, and I'm going to put the prices somewhere on the screen, but they're going to be on the screen, I promise. Okay, so the last thing that I wanted to talk about, I guess, was I went to Pink, and a lot of stores have apps. So if you download their apps, you can sometimes get special deals or coupons on the apps. And every time I've happened to look onto the Pink app, they usually have a free panty coupon. So I read the tiny print, because usually sometimes they can get you with the tiny print. So the tiny print basically said it had to be a full price item and you had to make a purchase. So I was like, okay. So I went to the back of the store, bought a $2 scrunchie, got a free panty. If you download stores' apps, I'd say 90% of stores have apps. If you download their apps, they usually have special discounts or codes or whatever on the apps that's exclusive to the apps, and you can use them. So yeah. Also, here's my kitchen. Bye.